Police in Ekiti State have just rescued a newborn boy stolen from a health center in Ekiti. The State Commissioner of Police, Joseph Eribo, says that the baby was found after a diligent investigation that led to the arrest of 34-year-old Deborah Ayeni. The suspect was paraded at the command headquarters before the infant was handed back to his parents. And Ms. Ayeni admitted to taking the child, claiming that she wanted a baby of her own after losing a pregnancy. She told police that she had recently done a marriage engagement with a UK-based man and had disguised herself as pregnant by stuffing her clothes. Take a look at what she had to say when they caught her.
Yes.
What happened to your pregnancy?
I lost it.
When?
I lost it around March.
This year?
Yes.
Did you tell your husband that you lost
Just,
it?
If you are complaining to your man.
I just want to take him as mine.
You wanted to take the baby as yours?
Yes.
Are you legally married?
No, but I've done my introduction.
You did your introduction
Yes.
when?
Last year.
Last year when? Did you lose
November.
Or does it mean that, or were you told that you cannot have your own child?
No.
Why stealing a child?
It's because I was thinking maybe if I should tell my husband that I lost the pregnancy, maybe he will leave me. Yes, I want the baby.
You need the baby?
Yes.
Right. Tell us.
You were pregnant before?
Yes.
What happened to your pregnancy?
I lost it.
When?
I lost it around March.
This year?
Yes.
Did you tell your husband that you lost it?
Just
Now, according to this young woman, she befriended the baby's parents at the health center, speaking with them in Hausa and even spending the night with the family. And she struck at about 4 a.m. when the father had gone for prayers and the mother was in the bathroom, slipping away on a commercial motorcycle. The suspect has denied any collusion with hospital staff and said she'd been waiting for an opportunity to take the newborn. She claimed that she fed the baby formula and took good care of him during the 2 days he was in her custody. This is very worrisome. I wonder what would drive a young woman to do this. There is no sort of a miscarriage or any societal expectations that should drive you to this. But some people online were suspecting foul play, saying that is she working for a bigger network of people, because we know there are baby factories in Nigeria.
Well, we're feeling that's a tall question that I would have to go do some research before I can answer intelligently. But I want to thank the police in Ekiti for a swift work they did to get that baby out. And from all indications, the lady that stole that child had planned it, so it's premeditated. And why would you do that? Because you don't want your boyfriend to know that you lost your pregnancy. Losing a pregnancy is not a crime. You know, she would have just spoken to her man, and she sounded well-schooled. No, but I personally wouldn't have expected somebody that is that educated to be that, I don't want to use the word.
And I'm talking about the lady who stole a baby. A relationship built on lies cannot stand. I mean, if you lost your baby, then talk with that guy that, no, I lost my baby and that's the situation. Why would he want to end the relationship because you lost your baby? Was it your making? I think that the way she went about it, it signals something to me that perhaps she's criminally minded, because she built trust with those families, ensured that they lost God, and then she took advantage. Is it possible that she has been doing this before and she was just giving excuses? Why would you cover your stomach and act like you were pregnant when you knew you lost your baby? There are so many questions here. I'm not an investigator, but I just feel that there's something she's not telling us, and more investigation needs to be done. She needs to face the full wrath of the law.
And I agree completely that there has to be proper investigation, because if your fiance is going to leave you because you lost a pregnancy, if it's not your making, it's not your making. Even if it is, if he loves you, if he truly loves you, then you will think of how to, begin to raise another baby. But for you to have done what you've done, regardless, you're only appealing to emotions, and that doesn't hold water. You have to face the full wrath of the law, because there is more to this than meets the eye.